On the next leg of our journey around Australia, in our 58-year-old pickup truck, we approached the Central Highlands in Queensland, and we were really keen to check out the Blackdown Tablelands National Park. What really struck us about this area of central Queensland is how dry and flat all the plains are, and all of a sudden this huge sandstone tableland juts abruptly out of the earth. The camera really doesn't do justice on how huge it looks. It rises 900 metres above the plains, and it's quite a steep drive in, but we were really happy to see that the GMC had no dramas at all tackling those steep inclines. The Blackdown Tablelands is the traditional home of the Ghungalu people, and they have a really strong presence here as the custodians of the park. There's a heap of signage all around the park that tells you the story of their cultural and spiritual ties to this land, which is really nice as it leaves you with a deeper appreciation for the place beyond its natural beauty. Oh, yeah. Holy crap. Holy shit. I was just not prepared for this. Oh, I forgot to read the thing. Feeling of this little pea gravel, it really does kind of come out under you.
It's kicking your feet out at me.
So weird. Like, how does that form? Whoa! Shit. I feel like you could see like the layers in it.
Onions have layers.
At this point, we'd wandered away from the main track, following a mud map given to us by the Caravan Park, as they recommended a few hidden spots that we should check out.
It was like flowing. It would be like
Oh, wow.
down to the edge.
Oh, wow.
What's that? Seems like metallic green. It's like green with gold pearl in it.
alive?
Day, mate.
He was flying dead. It was like he was trying to
Mate, if you scream any louder, this is all gonna fall down.
There he is. He came through this way, right? Oh my goodness. Whoa. That's fun.
Up we go.
It's a nice little shelter. We saw this cave and we could hear a waterfall down in this gorge, and we wondered how we could get down there, and it turns out it was marked on the map that the caravan park gave us, and they explained to us that you've got to be pretty athletic to get down there. There's a bunch of rope ladders, you've got to climb down all these rocks and things to get down there. You made it.
We're in it now.
Made it.
Oh, so I'm cutting concrete.
It's really slippery in this cave. Yeah, I thought it just fell on my ass. You can't see it, so. But, what? Never been barefoot this much in my life. I thought this might be an easy way out, but I don't know. Oh, she scratched. How do we get down there? There's Cameron and our mate. They're just all the way up there. That is incredible.
You gotta go down to the clear bit.
I don't think I can do it.
Cold?
I did it.
Bit
That
cold?
was actually nicer there.
That's so deep. I didn't even touch.
I know, it's so disorienting. I won't hit the bottom. Up there? Okay. Ready? The tat is fine. Could you touch the bottom there?
No.
Oh.
Jump in. Pussy.
We've just worked out this hole connects to this hole. It's like a tunnel. Secret tunnel! Do it. That's so cool!
You'll be right, mate. We're here. So you get stuck, we'll jump in.
Okay. I did it!
Right, mate. That was a big hole. I hit my head.
You hit your head!
Hit my head.
I was not expecting that.
I was just waiting for the ABS to kick in, but it never did. I don't know fucking why. Flex shots.
There is so much more in this park that we did not get a chance to see because we were just so worn out after that gorge walk. So we called it a day and just promised that we'd have to come back again sometime to see the rest of it.
He's pecking bugs and putting them in their feathers. Is that what they're doing?
I have no idea.
They're pecking and boom, see? They're saving it for later. Oh, they every time.